Good morning, everybody. Let's see where we woke up today. Some mountains. There's some sunbeam. Let's see. Sun. Must be early in the morning here. There's some chucks in the middle of a very, very large volcanic rock field. It's very, very squishy. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. Squishy. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Hey everybody, happy Monday. I know that it's Monday and perhaps you have a case of the Mondays, but don't take a Monday on your fitness. It's a beautiful day here and I'm just happy to have fitness like I do every day because it makes me feel complete. And hopefully, if you haven't tried doing fitness every day, you can start and just feel better. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Hey everybody. Today's Chasing Sunset is brought to you by Arizona. You know, I've talked about this before, just how amazing the sunsets are here in the West. Like a long time ago, it seems like a long time ago, I think it was January. In January, I caught an amazing, amazing sunset in Tucson. That video alone is on my YouTube channel, Adventure If You Can. But I'm sitting in the camper working still. It's a late day for work. And I just looked at the window and I was like, oh, wow, check out that sunset. So there you go. An amazing, amazing Arizona sunset on this beautiful planet that we are in that circles the sun in one galaxy among many, many, many. I feel small. Hope you guys feel great. Okay, sorry. I hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Just another perk of nomad life. Sometimes you just look over your shoulder and the moon is rising behind you. It's amazing. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Hey everybody, let's see where we woke up today. Oh wow, look at that. It's the moon over the mountains. And it's beautiful, beautiful Arizona. Followed by the sunrise. Nice trees. So, there you go. A beautiful scenery Nomad life. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. So it looks like a really big overland. Those really fancy trucks. So then you all coming up here, which I find very funny. This where I'll be for the next few days. So there's there's my truck. Hope you guys are having a great day. We're going to go outside, have an adventure if you can. Bye. Hey everybody, let's see where we woke up today. Wow, looks like some kind of festival. The cute dog. And lots of people. Hope you guys have a great day and an adventure if you can. Bye. Hey everybody, today's Chasing Sunset is brought to you by Arizona, where there's a whole bunch of trucks around. So I'm going to share that with you. So I hope you guys have a great day and an adventure if you can. Bye. Hey everybody, today's Chasing Sunset is brought to you by the huge state of California, So when I was at the show, I bought the this really cool tire holder, and luckily they had it in stock. And since I'm a nomad, I didn't have anywhere really to send it. So I'm going to get it. And this amazing place is even coming in on Sunday to give it to me. I'm very, very grateful. So I'm on the way there now, and this is an amazing sunset. And I just want to share with you guys. Hope you have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Hey everybody, so in my quest out here to California to get these amazing parts, I also got to see my really good friend Pierce here, and we had some delicious tacos. Or what's this place called?
I have no clue, I don't remember.
Mexican Place A in some outskirts of Los Angeles, which is basically just city everywhere. Oh, and also like the most terrifying highway on the planet. Like you the past hour and a half where I drove in here, or maybe that was a while ago, but the last hour and a half driving in here was just completely crazy, where the drivers, I think, are on cocaine. I don't know. It was crazy. But anyway.
Not even day-to-day traffic.
That's right. This is
just
weekend traffic.
Saturday traffic.
This is weekend traffic. So there you go. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Hey everybody. Let's see where we woke up today. Looks like sidewalk or street or some grass. Smells salty though. Oh look. It's the Pacific Ocean. You know, part of nomad life is just being able to wake up literally everywhere. Like this morning, I have woken up beside the beach, where I'm definitely going to put my feet in that ocean very soon, after breakfast. So there you guys go. Hope you have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Time to go in the ocean. Oh, wow, that's very chilly. Now it's like, maybe you're missing your delivery. It's a wonderful beach. Nice to put your feet in the ocean sometimes. Yeah, I'm gonna share that with you guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye. Hey everybody, I just wanted to give a shout out to this LA Fitness here in Huntington Beach with the outdoor heated pool. Pretty amazing. So it's really good to get a swim in, but it's definitely slow, but faster than my swim in Sedona was. So hope you guys have a great day and an adventure if you can. Bye. Hey everybody, today's Chasing Sunset is brought to you by California again, but on the way out. So I was very successful going into California, got my thing installed, which I will not walk over there and show you now, but I will show you later. And it's just a very nice sunset, so I just jumped off the road here real quick to share that with you guys. And maybe show you where it is as well. That's pretty nice. All right, there you go. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can.